All right, well, hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss a electronic deer avoidance system from the Hornet that I've just installed on one of my bikes. It's model V120. They make a V120 and a V120C, and I believe the difference between the two is on the C, it's chrome. So I just got the regular V120. It was given to me as a gift. Probably a year and a half ago, I actually hit a deer on one of my motorcycles, and it messed me up pretty good. So someone gave me this as a gift. They use it on their motorcycle. They seem happy with it, and so I'm going to give it a try. So what I got this kit, the complete installation kit, automotive motorcycle. This is made for cars, trucks, and motorcycles. If you do get it for the motorcycle, there's an optional motorcycle wiring kit that comes with it. It was actually in that bag. So you'll get a wiring kit for cars. It'll have that wiring harness. It'll have this toggle switch. Has some other various brackets and whatnot. That's your switch. If you get the one for the motorcycle, they'll throw in another harness that goes with it that will be used for your motorcycle. So I have it. I actually went ahead and installed it. I didn't think about the video until after it was done. Again, didn't need all the brackets. It's just kind of, every motorcycle is pretty unique. So how I chose to install it, I'm installing it on 2002 Sportster. So the actual unit itself is going to sit on a bracket right there. It comes off that bolt just above the coil. So it sits right there. They say that you should have it pointed at roughly 45 degrees to the ground when you're riding. Pretty sure I don't have, of course the bike's leaning, so I'm not exactly at 45 degrees, but I don't want to be able to bounce it off my, I know, but sometime I'll be bouncing off the fork, sometimes I'll be hitting the tire. If I aim it too far down, I'll be hitting the crash bar. So it's kind of there's a little bit of give and take there, and as far as your actual angle and how you have it set. If you're mounting it on a car, there's some specific directions they give you as far as how the thing is to be orientated and the distance between that and the hole in the grill or whatever that is going through, if it's going through like a grill. But that's how I put it on my Sportster. Mount just like that. There's one wire that attaches to that. That's for the sound. That wire comes back, and then your motorcycle harness has a plug. It just plugs in right that for the sound. And then there's a fused power and a negative wire. That's all in the harness, and all of that comes out to the switch. There's a switch right here. It's got double-sided tape on it. I'm going to use it right here for now until I find a better spot for it. A pretty simple install. Again, run one leg to the battery, one leg to the ground, and then you just plug this in. I put a little tape on it because everything's going to vibrate on my Sportster. And that's it. Pretty simple. Probably the hardest thing is just figuring out how you're going to mount the switch, where you're going to mount the switch, and then how you're going to mount the actual unit, and then where you're going to mount the unit itself. Once you get it done, when you're riding, you just flip that on. It'll emit that high-pitched sound. Then when you're done, you shut it off. It's supposed to be pretty effective. I guess I will see. I'll take out and ride around for a bit. Yeah, we'll see how well it works for me.